You've seen the benefits of clove water, but the comments section is full of confusion. Should you boil them? Is it 3 cloves or 13? And can it actually be dangerous for your liver? Today we're clearing the air. This is the ultimate wellness-wise masterclass on preparing clove water the right way. From the beginner ratio to the expert preparation secrets. Let's start with the golden ratio. For most people, 3 whole cloves per 1 cup of water is the perfect balance. Why 3? Cloves contain eugenol, a powerful antioxidant that supports immunity and digestion. However, more isn't always better. Sticking to this ratio ensures you get the benefits without the risk of stomach irritation or blood thinning. Always use whole cloves. Clove powder loses its medicinal oils too quickly. Now the biggest question, to boil or not to boil? Boiling is faster. It extracts tannins and minerals quickly, giving you that dark, rich color in 5 minutes. But there's a trade-off. High heat can damage the delicate, volatile oils. If you want maximum potency, try the cold soak method. Place your cloves in room temperature water and let them sit for 8 to 10 hours. Overnight is best. This slow extraction preserves the eugenol and results in a smoother, less acidic drink. If the taste is too strong for you, you can add a slice of lemon or a small piece of cinnamon. This doesn't just improve the flavor, it adds extra vitamin C and metabolic support. And here is a pro tip shared by our community. Some experts suggest freezing your clove water into ice cubes. The freezing process can actually help break down the cell walls of the spice, potentially making the nutrients even easier for your body to absorb when you thaw it into a warm tea. For the best results, drink your clove water warm on an empty stomach in the morning. This allows for maximum absorption. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. 1 cup a day is all you need. If you have a sensitive stomach or are on blood-thinning medication, always consult your doctor first. Which method will you try first, the 5-minute boil or the overnight soak? Let us know in the comments below.